Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a small impressions video on a very cool product that I was sent. I had my skepticism when I seen the email. I woke up one day and basically had an email asking to review a flashlight, which usually I would be like, no, there's not really a point to doing that. However, I do use a flashlight quite often when building printers in my office cave here a lot of the time, and I don't have the best lighting in here, so I use my phone flash all the time to look at belts or take a look at things where I don't have great light. So I thought, let me at least click the link here and take a look at the flashlight. And I was actually pretty impressed right away just by the specs of the flashlight and the look of it and the features and that type of thing. So I said, sure, why not? Send me the flashlight. When I got the actual flashlight, I was kind of blown away by the build quality and how useful the flashlight is. So this is the WUBEN X3. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it, WUBEN. This is a pretty unique little flashlight. It's very compact, very bright, and has wireless charging if you get the wireless charging base. It also does, I guess, charge wirelessly through the bottom here with my version. So I have the see-through case version here, which is glow in the dark as well, which is pretty neat. Some of the features that this has is it's IP65 waterproof, so great for camping. I am going to be doing some camping this year, so I definitely plan on taking this guy camping as well. I have been using this quite a bit here in the last week or so with building printers, doing some maintenance on my RC150 printer here, and that type of thing. Not only is the wireless charging pretty unique on this device, but also the rotating head here is very unique. So you can actually rotate this around 180 degrees. So you can have like a standard flashlight here. You can set it just like this and shine light directly in front. This is magnetic, so you can actually magnetize this to metal, that type of thing. So it's a really versatile little flashlight. And what I really appreciate too is the fact that it has a little OLED screen on the top here to see your battery life, charging indicator, and that type of thing. What's pretty cool here is it comes, well, my version, there's quite a few versions of this X3 that you can kind of get, different bases, like I say, the wireless charging base and that type of thing. Mine came with this actually pretty cool charging base case, I guess you would call this. This also has a battery in it, so it also serves to charge the flashlight, which is really cool. You can have this fully charged up, have your light fully charged up, and have quite a bit of battery life. I believe on the site this has a 100+ day battery, like when just sitting type thing, as far as I know. And it has 700 of lumens for its actual output. It does have two LEDs. One is a red LED for, like I guess night vision and that type of thing. And then it has 3 brightness modes. A lot of configurability on this one button here. You can go into different modes, strobing, all that kind of stuff. Really cool. It saves your last mode as well. So what's pretty neat about this little charging base here is not only does it charge it up, really slick there too. It also does serve as kind of like a lantern. Pop that into lantern mode and you kind of got a nice camping lantern. You can clearly see the display on the top, which is pretty cool. You can also rotate this around and still pop the flashlight in. And you could actually still turn the flashlight on. I'll pop it in the right way. You could still turn the flashlight on in this mode if it was charging or something like that and you still wanted light. So just a well thought out product. I was really surprised by just how many features this thing had, like all over the place. I was just finding new features about this as I used it. So really cool. I kind of like the glow in the dark case. Pretty neat as well. But I would definitely recommend this if you guys are into flashlights. It's got a nice belt clip here. Like I say, I use it all the time when building printers. It's on my desk ready to go when I'm building printers. I don't have to reach into my pocket, grab my phone, unlock it, get the flashlight on, all that kind of stuff. Obviously, this is just much better. I mean, any flashlight would be better than a phone, of course, but the fact that you can rotate the actual head here is pretty useful. And just knowing how much battery you have left and it being rechargeable is pretty cool. So I definitely encourage everyone to just at least check out their product page. They're definitely having a sale. I believe it's 25% off, which is pretty good. Pick yourself up one of these in whatever configuration you like. There's quite a few different colors of cases and things like that. So I definitely wanted to give a shout out on this because this to me is a pretty cool product. And like I say, I'm going to be taking this camping this year and whatnot, and I'll be using this for my builds and things like that. So thanks again, everyone, and I'll catch you all next time.